Gyms offer specialized spaces equipped with fitness machines and equipment for physical workouts, strength training, and cardio exercises. Accounting and bookkeeping are crucial for gyms to track revenue from memberships, classes, and personal training services. Let's have a look at the importance of accounting and bookkeeping for the gyms. Membership revenue tracking, for equipment investment management, tax compliance, expense tracking, cash flow management. At Meru Accounting, we specialize in the fitness industry's financial needs, expertly managing membership revenue, equipment depreciation, and industry-specific regulations. Effective bookkeeping is key to smooth financial management to focus on income tracking, expense management, invoicing and billing, payroll management, financial reporting. Here are some of the services we offer for gyms: equipment management, tax preparation and compliance, financial reporting and analysis, budgeting and forecasting, profitability analysis. By outsourcing your bookkeeping to us, you can dedicate more time to expanding your gym and supporting your members in reaching their fitness objectives. Partner with Meru Accounting to simplify your finances and drive your gym success forward.